If the Filipino will start to go out from their own blood relatives, kung hindi ito ay ilalabas nila ang kanilang pananaw at pangunawa bilang isang pamilya, then maraming malulutas na problema tayo bilang bayan. What's causing us itong paghahati-hati? What's causing itong malaking gap between mayaman and mahirap? Because we are too much excessively absorbed with our own blood biological families. And we failed to heed Jesus' call to treat others as our own brothers and sisters. Yun palagay po. Kaya with this, I really thank the Lord. Sa tatlong L na ito, appreciating the lay vocation, letting go of things, and having to have this likwanan of the family, the inclusive family. Ito yung sinasabi ng Panginoon sa akin 24 years ago. You ain't seen nothing yet. Marami ka pang makikita. And I know and I'm confident na from this year on, sa mga natitira pang taon sa aking pagkabuhay o pagkapare, I'm sure hindi pa tapos ang Panginoon. He will still surprise me. His mercy will continue to surprise me because I know and I firmly believe I ain't seen nothing yet. Marami pang ipapakita ang Panginoon sa akin. And with this, nagpapasalamat na ako sa kanyang kagandahang loob. Amen.